Hi, I'm Venice Andrea Dol, and this is our report. Types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture. Some mixtures have very small components and appear to be uniform throughout. These mixtures are called homogeneous mixtures. The components of a homogeneous mixture appear as one phase only and are not easily identifiable. If you divide a homogeneous mixture into 3 different containers, the 3 samples will look the same. For example, when salt is dissolved in water, the salt crystal will not be visible in the water anymore. If salt water is poured into 3 glasses, all the salt water in the 3 glasses will look and taste the same. Solution. A solution is a type of homogeneous mixture wherein the particles of the dissolved substance are evenly spread throughout the mixture. An example is a sugar solution, which is sugar dissolved in water. Solubility. Solubility is the ability of a substance to be dissolved in a solvent. Substances like sugar are said to be soluble because they can be dissolved, whereas substances that cannot be dissolved are said to be insoluble. There are solid and gaseous solutions too. The gold used in jewelry is actually a solution of gold and copper. Gold is mixed with copper to increase its hardness because pure gold is very soft and breaks easily. Types of solution. Gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution. Solvent. Nitrogen or gas, water, liquid, copper or solid. Solute. Oxygen or gas. Chlorine, liquid, tin or solid. Examples: air in scuba tank, water in swimming pool, and bronze. Science trivia. Alloys are metal solutions that are made by mixing 2 or more metal. An example of this gold jewelry, an 18-karat gold jewelry is made up of 75% gold and 25% other metal.
Heterogeneous mixture is any mixture with no uniform composition. Suspension is a type of heterogeneous mixture in which large particles of a substance are dispersed and suspended in another component of mixture. Colloid. A colloid is also a heterogeneous mixture. In a colloid, an insoluble component called dispersion phase is distributed and suspended in another component called the dispersing medium. This is an example of a colloid. Robert Brown. Robert Brown, a Scottish botanist, is credited for the discovery of Brownian motion. Here are the different types of colloid. Thank you for listening.